Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, and here's my bit of Monday motivation for you. Okay, so last night I just binge watched The Last Dance. And for those of you who haven't seen that yet, it's about the Jordan story. Well, it's about the Bulls 98. The second time they did the three-peat, right? The Chicago Bulls, when they won the NBA championship for the sixth time, and the second time they did the three-peat. Really, it's about Jordan and how he, did everything he did, right? And everybody knows about Michael Jordan and how famous he is and so on and so forth. But, I watched the whole series, amazing about mindset and about, just the will to win and so on and so forth. But at the end, the last scene was Jordan talking about how they broke that team up. The management broke the team up, after they won so much. And he was disgruntled. He was still unhappy, man. We're talking about like 22 years later, he's talking about they should have gone back and gone for the seventh championship, right? And I was thinking to myself, man, for all the greatness this man is and has achieved in his life, he's so unhappy. And that's not the life that he should be living, right? And I put myself in that situation. I thought to myself, listen, when I started off as an entrepreneur, and entrepreneurs, you know exactly what I'm talking about now. It's always about what's the next thing. Let's go. I'm not doing enough. I can do better. I can do more. I can make an impact on this industry. I can make an impact in this world, no matter what industry you're doing, right? It's never enough, right? What's the next thing? And I can do better. I can do greater. I can do bigger, like all these other people are doing. And I was just like that when I started as well. And man, it's an unhappy life. I got to tell you, you feel lonely, you feel unhappy, you feel like you're never achieving enough. And the trick to that, guys, and here's the motivation part for you. The trick to that is basically you got to celebrate your achievements. Because if you don't celebrate your achievements, you're never going to go for the next thing, right? You're always focusing on the stuff that you don't have versus the things that you already achieved. Okay, so here's a simple exercise I want to give you, and I'm guilty of that too. So we're just about to hit August now of 2020. So what I would say is that I would go back to January, go back to the beginning of the year when you set yourself goals for this upcoming year. And even before you did that, what did you have in January? Go back in time and think to yourself, what did I have in January and what do I have now? Did I buy more houses? Did I do more deals? Did I put more content out there on my social media? Am I more financially stable than I was before? And just go through all that list. Write it down on a piece of paper from January, what you didn't have, and now in August, what you do have. And that will allow you to celebrate and think to yourself and know to yourself and accept that, damn, I'm good. I did a lot of shit, right? I did a lot of shit. And not only that, it'll pump you and motivate you to do better and do more without the mindset of, oh, I don't have it yet, right? Rather than, I've done so much and I should tap myself on the shoulder and give myself credit for that. And that'll motivate you to do some more. So don't be like Mike, all right? In this particular example, don't be like Mike, because I don't want to see you guys disgruntled and unhappy, at the end of your careers and say, I could have done much more. Do it now, appreciate, and give yourself credit for whatever you've achieved so far so you can move forward and go crush it. All right, till next Monday. Peace.